Alright, so I'm going to just adjust that matter real quick. Alright, me and Mackerel decide to go public with the thing. Make the world know say yo we involved. However, after we do that, and I go up on the comment them and I read the comment them, you know, things that people would really be happy for you. They're not.
Now, this person talking in the video is on Instagram at the Real GE Quality Music, but we just all call him GE for right now. So GE is allegedly Mackerel's boyfriend that been with Mackerel for over a year now. Now, remember, Mackerel came on the scene in February, so let's do the maths. All right? While I check up the maths, let's tell you what Mackerel posted last night. I'm not going to give you word for word, but I'm just going to paraphrase. So basically, Mackerel posted last night and says that she misses her baby because they've been in a long-distance relationship and wish him happy anniversary. Happy 1 year anniversary.
You know, it's just be a backlash like people saying, oh, Mackerel are going to make these comments or these statements saying, Sean, you meant the world to me, G Quality, you are my everything. And she have a child. May I ask you a question? The same love you have for your kids, right? Uno out there now, the general public me I deal with. The same love you share with the son or the daughter. I the same love you share with the man. Uno sickening virgin. It can't be the same love. That is different levels of love. Because if you love a man, and him ask you, how much do you love me? You say 1 out of 10. You say 10 out of 10. Sorry. Right? If you say 10 out of 10, that means you don't left the room for you to pick them. Duh. Right? I'm want Uno be the hypocrite now and tell me the truth. Uno never tell a man say Uno love him and he meant the world to Uno. Tell me the truth.
Now we hear GE I say people are beat Mackerel bad for say that she love him and she have a child. Yes. But the thing about the thing where Mackerel posts is that somebody on the internet went on Google and find something similar to what Mackerel posts. Well, basically, if you compare it, it's the same thing, except for a little part that they add on when they start using the text talk, like using TBH, to be honest, instead of writing out to be honest. And it started with, you know what I mean, formally, and then it turned into that. So, let's see what I must say.
Uno sickening virgin. Uno coming like some fly low junker. Uno not the fly high junker them, you know. Uno some of the fly low junker them. I care zero who want bash me or judge me or whatever. But, you know, this is just my thoughts on the matter. And everybody who the Mackerel page is our fan. Some of us just wait for she buck her toe. Some of us just wait for she fall hard on her face so we can laugh and say, we didn't know this is going to happen. That's how Uno stay virgin. What about for Uno life? Uno life not a problem. Eh? A sudden life sad, so? Uno have nothing important or relevant to say. Uno just say whatever come out of the mouth. Oh, this is the real and rare and a promotion stunt. And then boom. When me fly down and see me and I won't go say. Right? Won't go say. Then you jump on the wagon now and start say, yeah man, them look good together and rare. And so you stay, brethren, you don't need to stop judge. Stop judge because for your life, you not live some shameful and scornful life. Me telling you already, you not the high flying drunk of them. You not a low flying drunk of them. You not a drunk of them where, trust me, you want to pick up everything and run with it. Everything and run with it in a negative way. Now this girl come out and she express how she feel about me. Right? I don't see the big deal. We expressing love and honor judge it from outside and saying this and saying that. Oh, it's real.
Yeah, so now you hear what GE has say. What do you think? What do you think about Mackerel and GE relationship? That's been going on for 1 year now. It's been a long distance relationship. We don't get the details and the intricate details as to when they see each other or where they meet or not like that. We don't know that. All right? Just tell me what you think. Go in the comment box. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think about what he just said. Now him say people are beat him for I said that, you know, it's promotional stunt. Now, more forget to know opinion on this. Is it wrong if it is a promotional stunt? Like if you pay Mackerel for say, yo, me I go get a little traction for my name or whatever for promote my song. Is it wrong? You as a viewer, do you ridicule the feeling of being tricked? Like, yeah, me I believe in something and I think this real. You know what I mean? I might start cheer for them and I say, yeah, Mackerel in love and Rary, and then I find out say, you know, go so tell me in the comment section if you think say it's wrong or right if people promote themselves this way. All right. Also, I want to do some little house cleaning stuff. Now, we've been having problem on the main dancehall IG page. So we're going to try to do the work here so for right now because I don't know exactly what's going on with Facebook, you know what I mean? Let's work from right there, so let's see what we can do. All right? Big up. If you haven't liked and followed this page, please like and follow this page. All right. Thank you.